What is going on, family? Cribs here. Welcome back. Thank you for giving me your quality time. Thanks for coming and chilling with your boy. And you know what? You're amazing. I love the fact that you come back, and this is for my family, that you come back and you love on me and you show me your support with the subscriptions, with the comments, with the likes. I'm truly honored. To anybody that is new here, my name is Mike Cribs. I'm known as Swag in the beard community. I have an Instagram channel that is _Beardswag_. This is a channel where I do unboxings, testing out, reviews on beard products, everything related, which I call swag, something we all get. If you're into positivity, love, community, support, Jesus Christ, this is a place for you. If you want to become part of the Swag family, you're more than welcome. Go ahead and down below, there's a subscribe button, there's a reminder bell, there is a share button, and then sometime if you haven't already hit it, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Today, as you can see, I'm doing a review, or not a review, an unboxing of Beard Justice Cedric. I got my swag that I already opened up earlier last night, so I can't unbox that for you. Man, brand new flat bill hat, brand new black, silver, and black hoodie, and it wouldn't be a Beard Justice unboxing if I didn't say Raider Nation, baby. The nation. So, as you can see, I already got my flat bill. It is a snapback, Yupung, I think is how you say it, a classic. Great flat bill hat, not too high. You gotta rock it flat, boy. Got my hoodie, amazing, 2 extra large for us big boys. And then I got a box of goodies here that I want to share with you. So let's get involved, rip and tear, and see what I got to share with you, family. I did an unboxing probably June, July of last year with actually my son Daniel when we started doing reviews. Sorry, let me get the top. And I will link that or tag it up here for you so you can go back and watch the early days of Swag and his boy dude. So, this is what you got. You got some protective airbags here. Got me 2 oils. Got me 4 oils. Ooh. Got me an oil or a balm and butter in 1. Balm and butter in 2. Balm and butter. So we're going to get into this stuff. Ooh. Man. Just throw that garbage down there. Get those out of the way. Got me some more koozies, family. Check those out. And he sent me a black one. Love it. And I've already got, I think this is a magnet. I already have one magnet up on my fridge. Fridge magnets. I don't have anything metal in here. Maybe I'll find something to put that on. And then a card, a business card that says, "Thank you so much." Let's see if there's anything. Nope, same thing. So, what I've got for you today. I love the little peanuts inside to keep the bottles from clanging together. Get those out. I can save those for shipping some of the complimentary stuff I send out to family. Very cool. So, this is some of his new stuff. Today I'm rocking early parole that I've had for quite a while. And the thing that I really love, and I'm just going to get this out of the way before we dive into the products, is why I love Cedric stuff so much. Besides the fact that it feels really good in beard and smells phenomenal, is the fact of it. When I first tried this product, it took me back. I graduated in 1991. And around that time, there were some scent profiles, the Polos, the Dracar Noirs, the Cool Water. as soon as I got some of those scent profiles, and they are spot on, family, the memories of when innocence was involved. That idea that you could still do anything you wanted to in the world at that time of age when I was 18 years old. Chasing around the girls, smelling really good. It was just a really good time. So that's why it kind of caught my eye. And every time I wear his scent profiles, especially Pillow Talk, if you guys that have tried the Pillow Talk, you know exactly what I'm talking about with Cedric's stuff. It's amazing. And I don't remember what the cologne base said it was that it's after, but it's spot on and it's delicious. Today, Nikki came to see me at work on her lunch. She took a little lunch break, and I got to love on her, give her a hug, give her a kiss, and just love on my beautiful bride, my queen. And she immediately starts messing with the hair and runs her fingers through my hair, and she comes in for a hug, and she says, "Wow, you smell amazing." That's why I take care of myself when I groom. Not to only look professional and to feel good about myself, but it's to impress my lady. Yeah, at 47 years old, I still like to impress my lady. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's vital to keep that passion alive with your bride, to the people that love you. It's passion. And this product, to me, is a cologne base that brings out such soft and loud scent profiles that are just sexy, intoxicating. And my lady loves it. Nikki loves the way I smell when I wear Beard Justice. So that's why I like him so much. That's why I like his product so much. And I know he knows what I'm talking about, don't you, Ced? So let's get into some of these products now that I've ranted enough about love and passion. I have not tried any of these. Oh, boy. Garbage. There we go. Ooh, heavens, you wrapped. Now, let me show you this. This isn't just the top wrapped up. It's the whole bottle. That's going an extra mile. So this one is Most Wanted. Let's see what he's got on the label here. He's got his website. I'll have everything linked down below, family. And I got a discount code for you, too. Most Wanted. Okay. I don't see any of the scent profiles on here. I don't see any of the ingredients listed. So it's just going to be a sniff test. Next one. Let's find that serrated edge. That's a lot easier. You find that little serrated edge on there, it pulls off really easy. Next one on the list is Big Fella. I really love the simplicity and the colors of his labels. Let's find that serrated edge. Yeah, I didn't find that one either, family, so let's just start ripping and tearing on these. There we go. Hope everybody's, let me see, what is today? Thursday? Got a lunchtime frickin' unboxing, first impressions video for you. This is Autumn Wind. Discount code, family. I'm going to go ahead and let you know right now so you ain't got to be linked down. You got a pen, piece of paper. Of course, you know it starts with swag. And it's for 15% off. Man, that is a lot of sticky, staticky stuff. This one is Blind Faith. I love it. Let me see if I can just get that in there. Dropper tops. And then I've got all these. I'm not going to go through them all for you, family, but I got them all in the same scent profiles. The balm and the butters, which are amazing. You can see they're all shrink wrapped together as well. I love that. Let's see if they have anything on here. Just too small. I'll have that on the review I'll have on Saturday. Blind Faith. And then Most Wanted. But I'm going to give you a sniff test on the oils at first. good gravy. If you guys have tried said stuff, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So fresh and so clean. So that was Blind Faith. And to come back Saturday, I'll have a breakdown of everything. He's going to go ahead and basically send me a list of what the scent profiles are. I'll get on the website and give you a breakdown of everything there too. This one is Most Wanted. Oh, yeah. Guys. Wow. Definitely cologne. This one is Big Fella. Oh, that one is awesome. Let me slow down a minute here. And then Autumn Wind. Four out of 4, y'all. Man, that is intoxicating. Such good, loud scent profiles. Jeez. Wow. Cedric. Amazing. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and let's just jump in one of these so I can show you what the balm is and the butter consistency is. 1, 2. Boy, he double wraps these. Get that off of there. Get that off of there. So this is the Big Fella Beard Butter. You can see it has a protective coating on it. The cover, which comes right off. Oh man, check that out. Check that out. Oh, good Lord. Look at this. It's just melting. Just by the touch. Wow. I can't wait to rock this stuff, man. Holy crap. Wish you guys could smell it in here. Beard balm. Okay, it does have some of the ingredients on here, which I'll get into on the review. I'm going to worry about it right now. The balm is amazing as well. Check this. Come on. Too fast. Slow down a little bit here now. And it is definitely medium hold. Light to a medium, I'd say. I want to see where the beeswax is on this. Beeswax is about 3rd or 4th on the list, so it's going to be a light to medium hold. If you guys are into cologne scents, man, legitimate renditions of some of your favorite colognes. There are a few companies out there, and they're wonderful. This is one that it was the first ones that I ever had, so this has a special place for me. I love the scent profiles. I love the play on the originality of, going back in the day. I've already reminisced about that. I love it. Let me get some of this Big Fella oil out so you can see it too. I know it's not a review, but you guys can see it. Clean. That is a medium oil. Oh, this evening. It smells so good. So the orgasmic experience that I've had with smelling this stuff. Let me just pull up. I ain't going to waste this. Whew. You talk about a special occasion kind of beard product. You want to go out and impress somebody with your swag. You want to get your swagger on. You want to smell like $1,000,000. This stuff is for you guys. Anyways, I think I've rambled enough. Everything will be linked down below. I'm going to go ahead and test this stuff out. Let me just go over it one more time. What I got, it was the big fella. Amazing. Most wanted. Sexy. Blind Faith. Glorious. Autumn Wind. Delicious. So that's what I got for you, family. Don't forget, jump on this stuff. Use SWAG15 for your code. I'll have everything linked down below. And go ahead and tell Cedric Swag sent you. Don't forget about your flat bills, y'all. If you've been waiting for Cedric to come out with a flat bill, look at that hat. Beard Justice, representing the family, representing the community. Don't forget your hoodie. Ooh. You know what I'm saying? Rocking it. Representing the bearded community. I love you. I'm proud of you. Go tell somebody you love them. Go tell somebody you're proud of them. Forgive somebody. Ask for forgiveness. Man, I'm going to have some of this stuff on for my wife tonight. Put that butter in, and we are just going to snuggle and love on each other and watch probably some TV together. Who knows what we'll have for dinner. But I'm truly blessed. I am madly in love with my wife. This stuff just inspires me. Okay, guys, where's that clicker? Let's see how many times it takes. Pay attention. Peace out, y'all.